In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a Discord message link. This is a simple, reliable way to point someone to the exact message you're talking about, whether you're documenting a conversation, filing a support ticket, or just sharing a memorable quote with friends. Start by opening Discord and heading to the server and channel where the message lives. Make sure you're in the correct channel because the link you create points to that specific location. If you're on desktop, scroll until you find the message you want. It can be your own message or someone else's, as long as you can see it in the channel. Now, hover your cursor over that message and right-click. If you're on a trackpad, a two-finger click or holding the Control key while you click does the same thing. This brings up the message's context menu. From here, click Copy Message Link. That option is the one you want. Discord will copy a direct URL that jumps to this exact message. You won't see anything change on screen, but the link is now saved to your clipboard in the background. To use it, paste the link wherever you need it. In Discord, you can drop it into a chat or a DM. Outside of Discord, paste it into notes, documents, emails, or task trackers. Use your usual paste shortcut, Ctrl+V on Windows or CMD+V on Mac OS, or right-click and choose Paste. When someone clicks that link, Discord will take them straight to the message, centered in the channel, so they can read it in context. A few helpful tips while you're doing this. First, the link respects permissions. If the message is in a private channel or a server the other person can't access, they won't be able to view it. That means you can safely capture the reference for yourself, but be mindful before sharing it publicly. Second, if you want to double-check that you grabbed the right link, paste it into a temporary note or a test channel and click it yourself. It should open the exact message you selected. Third, if the message or channel gets deleted later, the link won't work anymore, so consider taking a screenshot if you need a permanent record. That's all there is to it. Open the right channel, right-click the message, choose Copy Message Link, and paste wherever you need. It's quick, precise, and a great habit for keeping conversations organized and easy to reference. Thanks for watching, and happy linking!